In this video, you will learn how to connect your Disney account to Epic Games in minutes. Open Epic Games Launcher or website. Start by launching the Epic Games Launcher or visiting the official Epic Games website on your browser. Sign into your Epic Games account. Log in with your Epic Games email and password to access your account. Go to Account Settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Account from the drop-down menu. Select Connections. On the left sidebar, click Connections, then choose Account tab to view the available linking options. Find Disney and click Connect. Scroll for the list of connected services and locate Disney. Then make sure to click Connect to start linking the full process. Authorize your connection. A new window will appear promoting you to sign into your Disney account. Approve the connection by successfully logging into your Disney account, and both accounts will be linked. Now you know. Now you know how to connect your Disney account to Epic Games in minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.